How to subscribe to NanoBanana.ai plans. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access subscription options. Once you are on the website, click on the pricing tab at the top middle of the page. This will display the subscription or credit pack section. Here you can see the available plans with details about features, limits and pricing. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's a basic plan for casual users or a premium plan for advanced features. Click on the subscribe now button next to your chosen plan. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. NanoBanana.ai supports multiple payment options, so select the one that is convenient for you. After completing the payment process, your subscription will be activated immediately, giving you access to all the plan's features. Now you can explore advanced AI tools, create unlimited projects, and enjoy all the benefits of your NanoBanana.ai subscription. Now you know how to subscribe to NanoBanana.ai plans. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.